welcome you to Horizons, Clark Atlanta University, and this is our 6th summer on the campus of Clark Atlanta University, where we invite our neighborhood students from Metro Atlanta schools. This year, our 6th summer, we are able to expand our journey by looking at technology with our rising 5th and 6th grade students. And so we're so delighted to have Coding for Kids. It is just amazing to see how well they are understanding the concepts that are a part of that engineering piece and the mathematical applications. Our young children are very excited and very inquisitive as they are explorers. They are young scholars moving through and asking real issues, answering questions, asking questions and answering regarding real social issues. So we're very excited this summer to partner with Code Kids Rock, and it has made a tremendous impact on our rising middle school students.
We got to experience how it feels to hold a drone, and we got to learn the parts of a drone and how to make one. And on Monday, we made a robot out of some really simple material, and the reason I liked it is because it was a hands-on activity and it was really fun and interesting to learn about.